Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of this weekend, Saturday, November the 18th, 2023. Not so good news because we have only one puzzle page. No additional, no extra puzzles. Let me show you first the puzzles in the puzzle page. We have here the 3 star Sudoku, another 3 star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku. Then 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and the last one is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. No additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. So what I will do tomorrow evening or tomorrow, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page and also the additional of the Friday edition. The Friday edition, last Friday we have 3 puzzles left, and tomorrow evening the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, Samurai Sudoku. Look, just like last Saturday. Yes. All right. I will start with this one. The 3 star Sudoku. Okay. Nope. Apologies again. Having troubles with my tripod. Okay. Let me zoom this. Come on. Okay. Zoom this out. Yeah. Okay, this will be number 7, 4, 6, and 9. 7, 4, 6, 9. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be a 1 star. 27 has 1 star. 1 star puzzle has 27 printed digits. And for a 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 3 stars puzzle, usually it has 25 printed digits, and I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah, for a 3 stars. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column. Only place level 8. Show me there. 9, 3. Okay. How about the 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second one, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Well. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Okay. 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in the first, second row, so no 7 here. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the only place level 7. Shoot it. 7. Yeah, 7. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 in this box. Here 4 in the last row. No 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright, I need a 6 here. Then. How about, need a 4 here. Yeah. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. The 4 in the third row, the 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay, cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about the 8 and 8? We have here 2 and 3. Okay, we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. See a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. So we have 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay. 9, 9. How about the number? The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. Then 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So we have 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Right. And now 3 and 5, 3 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the last row. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. How about 8, 8, okay. 2 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 3 should be there. Then 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3, okay. 2 numbers left. Oh no, yeah, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. These 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright, now, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only place level 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 1 should be there. If I know 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Has 27 print digits. Otherwise, I need more time for solving a 3 stars. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. Maybe a 0 stars. Yeah. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.